Lang po dito sa Amsterdam Airport, Schiphol. Wait, Schiphol. Gawa ko ng video. Yeah. So, makasama ko naman ngayon sila, si Rella, si Chris, and si Herbie.
Huwag mo kakalimutan, ang jet setter ng Iligan.
Yeah. Hello sa ating mga dudes and dudettes. I hope all of you are alright. Welcome muli sa isa na namang edisyon ng Pre-COVID Travel Vlog Series. This time, let's go back and walk the fascinating streets of Amsterdam. Amsterdam is the capital city of the Netherlands, and Schiphol Airport is known to be the fourth busiest airport in Europe. For now, we're just waiting for a train. Punta naman sa Amsterdam-Centraal Central Station para maghintay para dun sa ating iba pang part ng itinerary na gagawin natin for today. Yung train nila. Parehas na naman sa puro mga malinis. Yung masasabi ko. Yung ticket, don't forget to check in first and check out as well kahit pag wala pang guard, hindi ma-invalid yung trip. And much better magdala ng contactless card kasi hindi magana yung hindi valid mismo yung paper bills. It's either coins or debit or credit card o contactless yung gagamitin. From Schiphol Airport, it's just about less than 20 minutes of train ride to arrive in Amsterdam-Centraal station. Ito sa Amsterdam-Centraal station. Susubukan muna namin na paiwan yung gamit. And ngayon, siyempre, chill muna, selfie. Pero sa akin namamahalan pa rin ako doon sa train ticket. Pero mas okay sana kung ang gagawin niyo is yung kuha kayo ng OV chip card. So, para siyang oyster kung ikukumpara sa transport system ng London. So, pwede mo loadan yun. And then, there's certain amount na pwede mo gamitin. I think that's about 750 euro. 750 euro in for a day, tapos valid yata siya for like a day travel. Ang problema lang hindi siya pwede gamitin pag train yata, and then may certain bus service lang na pwede mong gamitin yun. If you're planning to travel around Amsterdam via bus o kaya doon sa ibang town, yun yung gagawin mo.
So next time all
It's always important to check out, lalo na pagka naka-OV chip card ka kasi may invalidate yung card mismo. So mas okay yung ganyan. Kahit walang guard, check out.
A few inches later.
First glance, grabe, so classic. Tapos ito isa, see that? Parang tinuturo niya yung direksyon ng hangin. Ngayon, ito, busy selfie. Iba, hahanap sila ng spot. May lalakad lang. Transport choices here in Amsterdam are plenty. However, most people prefer to ride a bike or walk instead. Actually, there are more bikes than cars. It's amazing here. It's just to walk. Yung mismong scenery pala, yung mismong vibe ng lugar. Very exhilarating. And, ayun. That's the Adam Lookout. Sisigawan yung mga tao. Sigawan yung mga tao. Pero parang wala lang naman siguro yan. Let's see later. Maya nakabook din kami dyan. Then, lakad lang kami dito sa accommodation para lang mag-iwan ng gamit. Susubukan lang muna mag-iwan ng gamit. And let's enjoy the rest of the view.
One eternity later.
Buti pumayag yung accommodation, magpatago ng gamit, and habang naglalakad pa lang, ay grabe, iba na yung aroma. Maamoy mo na kagad. Quality. So, ngayon, punta naman kami sa may Canal Cruise. Okay, tuloy. Para dun sa aming booking. Ayan, sa semi-open boat, mas mura siya. Yung enclosed yata is like 18 euros. Pero ayun, 16. Nakuha ko siya 16 for 5 people.
What I think that was really amazing from our trip to Amsterdam is the free ferry ride to cross the River Eye. Even bikes can cross due to how big the ferry boats are. Ganyan katindi.
Okay. And here we are sa Lovers Canal Cruise. Then I think ipa-playback na voice over. Pwede natin ilagay yung duck dito. Then select the ay language. Walang Tagalog. So English na just
When you go to Amsterdam, please make sure not to miss booking for a canal cruise. Taking this will surely guarantee you to explore the lively capital along its various canals.
So iba talaga yung itsura ng mga ang ganda. So for 13 euro, sulit lang.
It's amazing to know that some of the ferries situated along the banks of the canals are still operational. Also, some of them are like caravans, which some people actually use. Some are even for rent, like an actual Airbnb. Matindi, di ba?
See the sunrise. Stick with me, keep me company.
Natapos lang din ng aming boat tour. Natapos yung boat tour ng alas 12. So apparently meron nga kaming walking tour sana by 1. So na-serve yung pagkain namin alas 20 minutes before 1 o'clock. So brunch na siya. Hindi na kami makapunta dun sa tour. At least wala naman tayo. Let's just continue to do walking para sa ice cream trip naman. Although medyo malamig ngayon, pero masarap pa rin mag-ice cream. Lalo na pagka after ng meal, like looking for something sweet. So, good choice, good option. But anyway, we'll just see kung anong magiging mga option. For now, we're just going to walk towards Amsterdam, the Dam Square rather.
Just by walking around Amsterdam-Centraal station, you'll see lots of waterways, buildings, even shops. So if I were you, prepare for walking.
This is sabi na iconic crowd. Ang pricing niya small, medium, large na nagre-range from 4 to 6 euros. Medyo mahaba pa yung pila. Pero mamaya na lang namin susubukan. So lakad-lakad muna. Itong mga hinahanap natin mga usually ang presyo, tignan natin ang presyo. 24.99. Lugi. So medyo pinipilaan tong lugar na to.
Wala akong 2 euro.
I can't read it. Pero ganito, mga presyohan. So, like, parang dito nila na same price pa rin. But let's see, pagpasok. And mukhang happy ang mga tao na pumapasok. So, Woodstock. So, yeah. Siyempre,
Vanderlyn Bakery is still standing strong and iconic since 1937. It's quite funny to see that people buy their ice cream more than their pastries.
thank you. Mukhang meron nadali dito. Nadali po ng ice cream. Habang nagsiselfie, nadali ng ice cream. Masarap. So, enjoy namin itong vanilla. Vanilla ba ice cream ba to? Ano masasabi mo? 1 euro and 30 cents.
Mahal na ba yun?
Para sa akin, kung depende sa lasa,
Masarap naman, susulit, di ba?
sulit, diba? Sulit siya eh.
Tapos since 1937 ba yun?
1937, ganun daw yung recipe or kung ano man presyo yun. Whatever. Pero yun lang, sa flavor lang, pero sulit siya.
Ulit.